viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ram Sai, and today we're going to be doing another shoe unboxing. Now, today we're taking a switch from brands. I know it's kind of a cross brand between Nike and Adidas, but today we are going to be unboxing some Adidas's. They are called the Lite Racer BYD. See that? But, so yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. Now, they're not supposed to be the most prettiest shoes because, again, I'm getting like summer shoes that I can, just kind of, just like, because since I've grown since the end of the school year, I just needed some new shoes, to wear. But anyways, I think these look pretty cool. They are, they're all black, really stretchy, some good running shoes. Comes with a little squishy thing that's like what the bottom of the shoe feels like, the sole. But yeah, I really like these shoes. Let's get this out of here. I think I tried these on. They're very comfortable in the store. They have a lot of support. Just get this out of here. And yeah, they're kind of a good all around, kind of like the last shoe, a good running shoe or stuff. You can do activities in, but they still look good enough for where you can wear them around. So yeah, let's cut to some close-ups of these bad boys. Try them on. Walk with Maggie over here, and been trying out the new shoes. So far they've been super comfortable, a lot of good support under here, and to me honestly they look really good on foot. So yeah, so far I do recommend. They're very good, walking / running shoes, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's really hot out here, so let's just cut to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit the bell if you want to notified for every new video that I make. I just posted a picture on Instagram and Twitter of this right here, and if you would like to go see those, all of my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, will be in the link in the descriptions down below. And always remember to stay random.